Hiya, folks. I made a terrible mistake when I left Wales. I did not get a case of this delicious cider. I did bring one bottle back, just as a souvenir, I guess, because it's the best cider I have ever had. And unfortunately, I can't find anything that comes close to how good this cider is here in the States. They all seem to be just almost too sweet. More like a Saturday afternoon picnic type cider. Well, I want more of a pub cider. And this is just absolutely delicious, and I really regret not bringing home more than this empty bottle. So, if you're watching this and you happen to know of a good cider that I can get shipped to me, or that I can buy here in the States, well, please let me know, because I really enjoyed this. Unfortunately, most places in the UK do not ship to the States, so I might be out of luck there. But if you know of a cider that is available here in the States, please let me know. I would love to enjoy some more of this. If you can't, for whatever reason, see it, it is the Black Dragon Welsh Cider. I picked this up at the Blue Anchor Inn and Pub near Barry, Wales. And I really would love to have more of this. Okay, so, well, we'll see what happens. Maybe you can help me out. If not, well, we'll see what happens. Okay, everybody. Hwyl fawr.